Imagine being stuck behind a tall wall. You can hear everything but see nothing. How would you peek over? That's exactly what Periscope helps you do. It's an apparatus consisting of a tube attached to a set of mirrors or prisms by which an observer can see things that are otherwise out of sight. But it's actually more useful than it seems. Let's take a closer look at how it works and where it's used.
Here is the differences between the mirrors and prism periscope. The first aspect is reflection type. For the prism periscope, uses total internal reflection inside glass prism, while for the mirror periscope, uses regular reflection on mirror surface. Second one is image quality. The image is brighter and clearer for the prism periscope, while for the mirror periscope, it will form the image that can be dimmer or less clear. Lastly is the light loss. For the prism periscope, very little light loss due to internal reflection, while for the mirror periscope, more light loss because some light is absorbed. So here is the figure that differentiates between the two differences of periscope. The first one is mirror periscope on the left, and the second one is the prism periscope on the right. So in conclusion, the prism periscope is more better for the submarine because it will form the clear image compared to the mirror periscope.
Assume this is a periscope, and usually there will be a mirror or a prism placed at the top or at the bottom at an angle around 45 degrees. And this is the object. The light coming from the object will incident on the first mirror, which we know it will be reflected on the second mirror. And we all know that the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. The light coming from reflected from the first mirror will be incident on second mirror, will further be reflected back to the viewer's eye. And this is how we see an object beyond obstacle or at different height level.
Periscope system in camera are used to enable optical zoom without increasing the thickness of the device. This is especially important in modern smartphones, where internal space is very limited. By using mirror or prism to bend the path of light, manufacturer can longer zoom lens horizontally inside the phone. So, how the periscope style camera works? When the light enters through the camera lens, a prism bends the light to 90 degrees. The light travels sideways through zoom lens element arranged along with the width of the phone. It's finally reached the image sensor where the image is captured.
Lastly, this is what it looks like inside the periscope mirror. Amazing, isn't it?
So
We can see the far away object clearly.
A lot of feature will appear when you use the periscope style camera. So it creates high optical zoom, thinner camera modules. The image will be more clearer with the distance of the object. So the phone of periscope style camera will be better. This kind of camera usually work in a lot of smartphone right now in nowadays. That's all from me.
Hi, so here I am going to present about our project model that have been made together. First of all, this model have been made by using a cardboard and two pair of identical of mirror, and this model have been colored by using black. Also, this model can be extended up to 15 cm. Due to this, we can see the object behind an higher obstacle. Lastly, this is what it looks like inside the periscope mirror. Amazing, isn't it? We can see the far away object clearly. To be conclude that periscope mirror has a lot of advantages in our daily life routine. So as a student that studies in physics, I highly recommend that we should use periscope in our daily life.